new speaker wires and everything.
Yeah, I want to do all new speakers. Now we go see if we have brakes or not. Oh, you can smell the exhaust already.
Yeah, but I had a muffler down there, a truck muffler down there on the Chevy muffler, my truck.
Yeah.
It was a good muffler, and I never did find it.
We hauled it off for scrap like 3-4 years ago.
Brakes still a little spongy. I have to read the package.
That pedal's still going down a bit too far.
Yeah, it needs one like to readjust and read them a little more. You have tag, you can.
Okay, well, we got the old orange truck. It's tagged and insured and all that, but having a brake issue, manual brakes. It's got all brand new brake hardware and hoses, but I'm thinking the proportioning valve's bad, but I can't find one with a 2-prong plug-in. They all just have 1-prong plug-in, the ones that I can find, and that's on Amazon and eBay. Can't find them in a parts store. So you do have to pump the brakes a little bit to get her to stop. And I was about ready to, drive it on the road. And then this happened. Now we're leaking shit. It's not one thing, it's another. This stuff lights up, but not very well. I'm loving my red though. I'm probably going to change them all to red. I'm going to give an update on the old Ford here. She got a new water pump, new alternator as of today. It will crank and run. I have gotten to drive it, but just up and down the road. We are leaking power steering fluid from the top, but that's because the old man put too much in it. Carburetor. The biggest problem right now with this truck is when you cut it off, you can, for real, hear the fuel draining out of the bowl into the cylinders. So I'm probably going to need a needle and seat. I honestly kind of just want to put a whole nother carburetor on it. This is an Amazon special carburetor, no name brand carburetor from Amazon that my stepdad bought. But I mean, it looks identical to the Motorcraft that came off of it, except it's not blue. I gotta fix all this shit. For some reason, my grandpa thinks it's okay just to keep adding pieces, but no, we're gonna go all the way back to the source and just make it one long wire. That alternator just got put on today, but the alternator light is still on, so I'm guessing it's gonna be voltage regulator problem, and from what I'm told, that's a voltage regulator. I don't know these old things, so I don't know if I can even get one of those. On the inside here, we've got our steering wheel put on, but the horn does not work. We've pulled the radio out already because this thing will get a whole custom radio in it. We took all the gauges out of it because we thought the lights weren't working. Turns out to take all this off, you have to take this off. You have to get back there and press a button, and this whole thing will come off. But when I pulled it off, it was all the way dimmed, so that's why we didn't think they were working. But I do got to take it all back out and put LEDs in it, because I put a red LED in this part, and it looks awesome, and I want the rest of it to match.